Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing exactly where numbers will go. Select a cell or contiguous range so Excel applies changes consistently. Once selected, decide whether to edit in place with F2 or to overwrite by typing. This determines cursor behavior and formula retention. Next, set the format using Ctrl+1 to open number formatting. Choose number, currency, or percentage so values display correctly. This prevents misinterpretation, keeps decimals aligned, and avoids accidental text entries. Now speed up entry with shortcuts that save time and reduce mistakes. Type a number and press Ctrl+Enter to insert it into every selected cell at once. This is ideal for templates or repeated values. Use Alt+= to insert a SUM for a selected column range. Excel guesses the range, which you can adjust. When you need to copy the value from the cell above, press Ctrl+Shift+. A reliable way to propagate figures without retyping. Finally, autofill patterns with the fill handle to continue series. Finish by validating that numbers behave as expected. Press Ctrl+ to toggle formula view and ensure you see results, not formulas. If numbers appear left-aligned or won't calculate, they may be stored as text. Use the error button to convert or wrap with value in a helper column. This ensures arithmetic works. If totals are stale, press F9 to recalculate. And if something goes wrong, undo with Ctrl+Z immediately. Then double-check cell formatting and regional decimal settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.